Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing well. I have a little bit of a haul to share. It's stuff I recently picked up at Sephora, and mainly from the recent Sephora sale, but there's a few things I had picked up prior to that, but I thought I'd just put everything together in a little haul. So I'll start off with the items that I had gotten before the sale. One of the items I actually purchased because it was on sale at like 50% off, and it's the Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette. So I actually saw this on their app. It was like 50% off for like one day only, and I think they were just copying Ulta. It was during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. But this eyeshadow palette was, as I said, 50% off, so it was around, I think, $22. I think it's normally $44. And this is an eyeshadow palette that I've kind of been wanting. It's sort of like, as I think of eyeshadow palettes, the one that's sort of at the like top of my list, or the one I would want to get. So when I saw it for 50% off, I kind of just went for it and got it. It was kind of impulsive purchase. It's like only have like one day to decide if I want it. So I did go ahead and get it. So this, I'll show you the inside. It was what it looks like. I mean, it's just a pretty basic palette, but for me, that's really the eyeshadow I like to wear. I can see all these pretty like colorful palettes. I'm like, oh, that looks really pretty, but I think about it, I'm like, am I really gonna wear those shades? And most of the time, my answer is no. So I just something about this I liked. I like how it has, you know, a good selection of matte shades. I like how they have some of these shades on the end a little larger, like the shades you might use more often. I do like how they did that. And there's really pretty like shimmery shades. So I decided to pick it up and I've been enjoying it. I haven't been wearing makeup a ton over the past like 2 months, just staying at home. But when I have worn makeup, I have been reaching for this palette and I've really enjoyed it so far. The one thing I will mention about this, I didn't realize the packaging was this like cushioned packaging. I'm not the craziest about the actual packaging, but I have been enjoying the eyeshadows. So that was the first thing I picked up. And then also with that order, I did get some hand cream. My hands have been very dry lately. They're usually dry, but they're especially dry now with all the hand washing. So I picked up this Kiehl's Ultimate Strength Hand Salve, and I've really been liking this. I use it, I take it around with me as I like go different places in my house, so I can just like constantly reapply. But yeah, I really been liking this. So I did also pick this hand cream up during that purchase. I was running low on hand cream that wasn't like heavily scented, so that's why I picked that one up with that order. And then also with that order, I'll just quickly mention, since it was before the Sephora sale, I could actually use a promo code. So the one I picked, they didn't have a ton of great ones to pick from, but the one I picked was a bunch of you got like a bunch of perfume samples and also a little hand cream. So got another little hand cream. This is the Moroccanoil hand cream. I haven't tried this one out, but I think it's a great little like purse size. So I'm happy to have another one. It's a very high in demand item at the moment. And then I'll just quickly go through these perfume samples. I haven't even tried these out yet. Some of them I've had before or tried before. So you get Versace Bright Crystal, which I've had this before in the full size and I like it. There's the Chloe one. I have this in a roller ball. But sometimes it's nice to have perfumes you like for like travel. Not that I'm traveling right now, but you know, they might come in useful at some point. Oh, there's Replica Beach Walk. I have this actually, I think, still in a little sample. I do like that one. It's pretty nice for summer. Oh, the Victor and Rolf Flower Bomb. So some of the typical perfume samples you usually see, but I do really like that one, so happy to have a sample of it. A few more. I think all the rest of them I haven't tried before. There's Valentino Donna, there's Giorgio Armani C, and YSL Libre. So just some different perfume samples to try. So that was the first order pre-sale. And then everything else I did pick up during the sale. So I'll start with some stuff from Beautyblender. So I love using the Beautyblender to apply my foundation, concealer. It's just something I've been using for a few years now. And I saw this set, and I'm kind of a sucker for the colored beauty blenders and like the sets. I feel like you can get them for, they're pretty expensive, like I think it's like $20 for a sponge, which is pretty expensive. So I like getting it in the set where you might save a little bit of money. So this, you get 3 different purple beauty blenders. I just love the variation of shades, and then you also get like a solid cleanser. So the names of these beauty blender, I guess, shades are Dahlia, it's this dark purple, Lilac, this one, and then Rosie is the one on the bottom. But you know, I thought it was something I could use, but I also just like having like the variety of colors. I thought it was just kind of a fun item to pick up that was also useful, so I did get that. And then to go along with that, I really like using the Beautyblender liquid cleanser, so I did get a larger size of it. I usually get the like 5 ounce or 5 fluid ounce version. It's like half the size. This is 10 fluid ounces, but I decided to just go with the larger one because it will not have to be repurchased as quickly. But I did pick up that. And then I did get a few skincare items. So I am kind of running low on my eye cream, so I picked up another one. This is the Belif Moisturizing Eye Balm. And I've been using this one. I'm using it currently and really enjoying it, so I decided just to repurchase it while I could get it for the 20% off. And then the final thing that I got was a set, and it's from Drunk Elephant. And I love the Drunk Elephant sets. They usually have ones near the holidays. I always pick up the one that has the glycolic night serum. But during the year, they don't have a lot of sets. They do have their little like 2 packs of the deluxe size of their products. I think they always have the little set, which is a collection of a bunch of minis. But I don't feel like they have a lot of sets beyond that. And so when I saw this set and I saw the products that was contained in it, I just was really excited and decided to pick it up. So this is the Bear With Us, the Love Kit. And I'll show you the products that are inside. So you can see the main reason I got it was because of the serums. So not only does it have the glycolic night serum, and this is half of the size of a full size. It's 15 milliliters as opposed to 30. So you get this one. And then you also get the day serum, the C-Firma day serum in the same size of packaging. And as I said, I use the glycolic night serum. That's like something I use on a nightly basis. But I'm always thinking about the C-Firma day serum. I've used it before, but usually if I have to pick between the two, I go with the night serum. But I do really enjoy the vitamin C serum as well. So I like that it had both of them. Usually the sets are one or the other. So they had 2 serums that I like, and I was excited to see them together. This also has some of the staples of their sets, the jelly cleanser, which I have a lot of these, but it's a cleanser I do enjoy. And there's also the Lala Retro Whipped Cream. So like, it's like a moisturizer. So I have quite a few of those as well. Also a product I like. There's the Umbra Tint Physical Daily Defense, a sunscreen, which is always nice to have. And then the final item, which also really piqued my interest, was this F-Bomb water facial mask. So it's like a mask. I haven't tried any of these out yet, but I'm very excited to try this like mask. It's supposed to be an overnight mask. So I just thought it was a good combination of things. You get day serum and night serum and a mask with some sunscreen you can use during the day, and then like a cleanser and a moisturizer. So it's kind of like an all-in-one sort of kit. I guess all you're missing is the eye cream, and I have, you know, bought the eye cream as well, but I don't know, I was just excited about their sets. I love their like packaging, and I love that you can kind of try out products in these sets, and I always find that they're pretty good value. So I did pick that up as well. I guess the last thing I'll share is just some of the samples that I got. I actually made a few orders because stuff was like out of stock. So I have a few samples to share. So I did get another like perfume sample. I guess they're trying to get rid of anything that says Kat Von D since they've changed the name of that. But this is a both of her Saint and Sinner perfume samples. So it might be interesting to try those out. I'll put those with my other perfume samples. I got some skincare samples. This is the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. I never know what samples to pick, and then sometimes you pick something and they don't even send it to you anyway. This is the Super Goop super screen SPF 40, so it's nice to have a sunscreen sample. And then I really like when I get hair samples. So this one is from Verb, and it's a clarifying shampoo. There's a repairing mask. I love to get mask samples, like face mask or hair mask, so I'm really excited about that. And then the last sample, I was just looking at this before this haul video. I didn't really even realize what this was, but this is a mist in a foil packet. So I'm not really sure how that's gonna work. I might have to see if I have a little like bottle that is empty that I can like maybe pour this into, or I don't know. But anyway, yeah, it's like a hair sample little set. So yeah, I think some exciting things. It's a lot of stuff that's like repurchases, but a few new things to try out, which is exciting. But anyway, that's my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.